Hello everybody and welcome to 2022 and the first Grange Head Teacher Assembly of 2022. We know who we are. We are the people of Grange, and we know that that means that we have a great caring attitude. We're really always trying our best. We're always learning. Even when we make a mistake, what do we do with our mistake? We learn from it. And that means that we're always going for improvement and progress. We use our education to help us to make great choices as we go along in life. And what happens if things don't go well? Well, we never, ever give up. And that spells out Grange, and that's really who we are. We are CC learners, we are the people of Grange, and we know at Grange that true strength is your strength of character strength, when you are the best that you can be. And that means that you live your life with confidence and consideration. That means that you believe in yourself, you care about yourself, you look after yourself, you do your very best for yourself to achieve the best life for you. And you have consideration, you care about people around you, you're kind and you help, and you make the world a better place through your actions. Yes, I'm Grange people of power. Just give us hope. All the Grange parents and carers who looked after the children so brilliantly in the Christmas break, support us, support the Grange CC way. Thank you for bringing your children to Grange. Thank you for bringing your children 2022 back to Grange. All our Grange adults who teach, care for, help our children of Grange to learn and make loads and loads of progress. That is just brilliant. All our Grange children show caring with their actions and words and make their Grange friends feel safe and happy. Really work to do that every day and welcome the new children who come to Grange. I really value that. And all our Grange children who do CC walking, CC salutes and star sitting. It makes our school just such a brilliant place to be. Thank you. And here we go, some more Grange people. So I'm going to just say, Blessing and Andre, you came in to check in on me on what is needed for the Student Council. This Thursday Student Council meeting, we've got the superhero visit booked for the 20th of January. So this Thursday we are planning the superhero visit. So Blessing and Andre used their independence and their initiative and came to check on what is needed for the Student Council. So that is power. It gives me hope. Natalia, for your successful Head Teacher Challenge submission. I set a Head Teacher Challenge. Head Teacher Challenge is the single most points you can get CC points in one go for one award. 20 points, bam, in one go. Natalia got that, and we're going to come back to that. It was a brilliant submission. Thank you. Right, so what's our character strength focus? Well, we're going to focus on a superpower, and that superpower is called family. Now, as we get to that, remember, it's not about who you are, it's about who you can become, who you will become, the best of you. The CC walking that you do, you're walking and embracing the challenge with confidence and saying, yes, I'm walking my path to my best life. When you're doing star sitting, it means, yes, I am focused. I sit up straight. I track the speaker, teacher, the educator, or if it's a peer, if it's your classmate talking that the teacher's asked to speak, you're tracking them. You're asking and responding like a scholar, and you're respecting yourself and those around you. You are learning and listening and growing, and you're knowing that there is no substitute for you. People can help you to live your best life, but nobody can live your best life for you. You have to do it. Right, so we said superpower is family. And the beautiful Head Teacher Challenge submission, I asked for people to send in their favorite word and tell me why. And this was from Natalia, and absolutely powerful and brilliant. Natalia said, my favorite word is family, because if you don't have a family, you feel lonely. And you can also be poorly because nobody is there to help you. That's why I chose the word family. I feel happy that people have a family. But what about people that don't? And actually, Natalia used an ellipsis, figure of speech, to kind of show that she was still thinking. Absolutely brilliant, Natalia. And I'm going to say, look at what we've got on the screen. Family is power because family is a circle of strength and love. But you asked a question, Natalia. You said, what about people who don't have family? Well, I'm going to say that family isn't always blood. And what I mean by that is family, people think of father, mother, brother, sister, uncles, cousins, children, but it isn't always blood. Family is your people, your friends, your brothers and sisters who are your friends, who really care about you, your classmates, your teachers, your educators, who care so deeply about you and come to work every day at school to make sure that you make progress and succeed in life. So really, family is much more than just blood. It is your people, the people who care about you. And I'm going to say we have a school which is like a family, a school which is a family, and that is Grange. And we work on that, and we're working on that. And we know that we look out for each other, and we know that we have a circle of strength and love in our school. So here's the feedback forum. And I'm going to say a shout out to Parks, Tubman. I love your Lister. I love your feedback that you've been giving me. Nightingale, you give me some brilliant feedback. So, but all of you, I want the feedback, please. If you can pause the video over here. And what I've just said over there is I said family means the people who really care for each other unconditionally. Big word. It means it's not just because you did well or because you did something for me that I care about you. I care about you because I really care about you. I look out for you. And I know sometimes brothers and sisters fight, but at the end of the day, when there's a threat, when there's a need, brothers and sisters are always there for each other. And our school, Grange, it's like that. We look out for each other. We care about each other. So I want your feedback to tell me what makes our school, Grange, like that. What makes our school a family, not just a school. Grange is not just a school, it's a family. What makes our school like that? So if you can do some feedback, get it to me. I'm looking so forward to that. Thank you so much, everybody. Here's some Grange thoughts to get you focused. We're all connected because we live in the same school, best school in the galaxy, which means that we don't say if somebody else has got a problem, oh, that's not my problem. We're all in the same school. So your problem is my problem. My problem is your problem. We all work to help each other. We see each other. I see myself for who I am and appreciate and respect me. And I see you for who you are and appreciate and respect you. That's a Grange CC way. We are allies. When we see a Grange person needing support, we're there for them. And actually, that's how we operate in the world. We look out for who needs help and who needs support. And we care about ourselves, so we're always safe and we always are growing ourselves. But then we offer our support and our kindness. Class champions who've made a brilliant start to 2022 in Sequel, Dima, brilliant start. Natalia in Lister, Nikki in Lister, Vladut in Lister, brilliant start. Rahima in Nightingale, Mansour in Nightingale, fantastic start. Class champions. And in Tapman Bavita, Michelle and Medina and Danusha in Mandela, Blessing in Mandela, Aliyah in Mandela, Aliyah in Parks, Ramatullah in Parks. You guys have made a brilliant start to the year. Well done. And Mohammed in Parks, fantastic start to the year. Well done. So 9,288 brilliant CC power points. That is only Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that's a fantastic achievement. So who were the classy classes? Well, Nightingale class, one thing about Nightingale class, so consistently powerful. Always there in classy class for the last weeks and weeks and weeks. Well done, Nightingale class. Parks class, look at your power. Rosa Parks would be proud of you. And Tubman class, you were classiest class of the autumn term. And look at you. Harriet Tubman would be proud of you. So there we go. I've set an incredibly, ridiculously ambitious target. Looking at that number with all those zeros in makes my eyes go funny. Can you work out what that number represents? That is 500,000, which is the same as 500,000 CC points, which we want by the end of the spring term. We manage 270,629 CC power points in autumn. Spring term is shorter than the autumn term, but we need 229,371 points to get to our 500,000 CC power points. Will we do it? Well, we're powerful, we are kind, we are loved, we are Grange, and our school is a family, and we are going to make it because we care about each other, look out for each other, and we also remember to look after ourselves. So let's give ourselves a CC salute, give yourselves a confidence boost, give yourself a confidence boost for a moment. Just focus just on yourself with your hand on your heart, and then look at our beautiful planet and say, I am going to make the world a better place because I'm in it. And circle outwards. And let's be great, let's be Grange, let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the learning ahead in 2022. Great progress, great success, great outcomes. They're coming. Our teachers and our educators are striving for that. And the great Grange children, each of you, you are ready for it. You're going to shine in 2022, children of Grange. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. If we make a mistake, remember what we know from Grange. We make a mistake, we learn from it, we improve, we go even higher, we rise. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.